Germany continues its struggle with the invisible enemy. Merkel has called for a faster booster drive. Life in Germany has veered off normalcy as the deadly COVID 19 has triggered fears in the minds of citizens. Daily infections hit a new record on Wednesday with 68,366 new COVID 19 cases in just 24 hours. The 7-day average of Germany's COVID 19 tally has also shot up to over 44,000 over the last 1 week. The alarming development has sent policymakers into a tizzy. The surge has also forced her to impose curbs in the COVID battered regions. Children to wear masks from the age of 10 years. People will need passes or COVID safe tickets. Third booster dose to be rolled out in April 2022. Berlin to ask for negative tests and vaccine certificate. Only fully vaccinated people to access leisure facilities. Several German regions, including Berlin, have already introduced these curbs. Non-vaccinated people to be denied access from places such as cinemas, hairdressers, restaurants, and fitness studios. The debate of public health safety revolves around the vaccinated and the unvaccinated population. Restrictions for unvaccinated people will be introduced in areas where hospital admissions exceed a set threshold. Lots of states, including Berlin, Bavaria, and Hamburg, have already brought in the 2G rule. While the virus continues to spread its tentacles, there is another factor fueling the fourth wave. The vaccination rate in Germany has made the virus even more virulent. Germany's vaccination rate is currently at 68%, which is among the lowest in Western Europe. A crisis meeting was chaired by policymakers and public health experts. An important point highlighted in the meeting was to permit fully vaccinated people to public spaces like sporting events, shows, and restaurants. The policy applies to areas with a hospitalization rate of 6 or more COVID 19 patients per 100,000 people. The 2G plus rules can be waived if the hospitalization number drops over a certain period. The vaccination rate in Germany is very low. The citizens need to take cognizance of the situation and get themselves vaccinated to prevent the situation from going out of control.